Rinse each test tube of deionized water and empty into the hazardous water container. Shake the sample bottle. Fill the tube labeled sample to the 50 milliliter line with your collected water sample. Fill the second tube labeled clear to the 50 milliliter line with deionized water. Place the two tubes side by side and look down at the black dots on the bottom of the tubes. Does one dot look fuzzier than the other? If they are equally sharp, the turbidity is 0. If the black dot in the sample is not as clear, proceed to step 5. Remember, we are comparing the sharpness of the dots, not the color of the water. Shake the standard turbidity reagent and add 0.5 milliliters to the clear water tube. Stir the contents of both tubes with the stirring rod to equally distribute turbid particles. Wipe off the rod with a paper towel after stirring contents of each tube to avoid cross-contamination of the tubes. Check for the amount of turbidity by looking down in the clear water tube at the dot. Continue to add reagent by 0.5 milliliter amounts to the clear water tube, mixing after each addition until the turbidity equals that of the sample water tube. So, both the dots in both tubes will be equally as fuzzy or as sharp. Record the amount of standard turbidity reagent used on the data sheet. Each 0.5 milliliters of reagent added to the 50 milliliter sample is equal to 5 Jackson turbidity units. Remember to multiply the number of droppers added by 5 to obtain your score. For samples falling between dropper full, such as 1 and 2 droppers, you should assign a score of 7.5. That's 1.5 times 5. Empty both tubes of water into the hazardous water bucket and rinse tubes of deionized water.